Welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at a device that is very close to me. This is actually a thin and light and economical writing tablet or LCD writing tablet, and there are many brands out there. This one specifically is from a company called Threetrees. The logo has got 3 trees in it. Now this is what I think as a very special, useful and cheap gift that you can give to small children or even adults, because this is like a LCD writing tablet with electronic eraser. And let me just show you around. So basically it's a LCD screen that you can write on, right? And there is a eraser button. When you click, you will erase what you have written. The screen itself is this particular model is a 8.5 inches diagonally, and it's very thin, probably less than like 8 millimeters, and it's very light. So if I show you what weight this is, this is about 110 grams. This is like half the weight of my mobile phone, or almost half the weight of my mobile phone. I'll leave this aside. Now so this is the front, this is the writing screen, and that's the eraser button. Behind, this is just hard plastic. At the top, there's not much. There is basically the nest for the writing pen, which goes in here, which you can pull out. It's like a stylus, but this is passive, and then you can just put that back in. It locks in so it doesn't drop off. Now, and basically you use the pen to write. I hope you can see the contrast is actually low. And then when you press the button, it erases everything. Of course, it's not only words. You can draw three things that you want to draw. You can practice, and the value of this particular device is you save paper and you save ink. It's just battery power. Now I will tell you that the battery lasts almost forever. We'll have a look at the battery afterwards. Sometimes when you see the contrast going low, it's because the power is down, and you may need to swap out a new battery for this, but that won't happen very quickly. Now use cases for this, basically you can use to practice drawing, you can use to practice handwriting, or if you are learning a new language, this is like the perfect tool to actually practice handwriting. How much is this? This will cost you under $5 to $6 US, so it's very cheap, or at least it's not expensive, and it helps you, or helps the environment, save paper and also ink. Alright, now there is a button at the bottom to lock. Just make sure I can get to the light. There's a lock button, so if you write something, right, and if you lock it, it cannot be erased. Okay, and you can still write, but you cannot erase it. That's to lock the erase button. So I'm going to turn it off, right? And at the bottom is where we change the batteries. Now, so what battery does this use? This uses a standard CR2025 battery, and you can get all these mass-produced cheap batteries out there. If you buy in bulk, you can get a battery for under RM1, I think. There are online sites that sell like 8 batteries for $10 or something like that, but it's not expensive, right? Now I'm just going to show you how to swap out the batteries. I haven't changed the battery for a very long time, so let me use a tiny Phillips head screwdriver. This is where the battery compartment is, so I'm just going to unscrew this. Let me just zoom in. Okay, for the sake of visibility. Alright, so that's the battery. It's best to install it upside down. Okay, and that's the CR2025. Okay, let's swap with a new battery. It's about time that I swap this anyways. So remember, this is a CR2025. Okay, so the screw is still inside, and we're just going to push it in, and we are going to lock it in. Alright, so let's zoom out. That's the old battery. Yep, the contrast looks a lot better now. Clear. Alright. Now, I recommend this very highly for anyone who wants to practice drawing or handwriting, or for small children who loves to write or draw. This is almost like a perfect gift. So if you have got any questions, you can ask me in the comments below. You can buy this online. I bought this for about, I think, under $5 during some offers, and it's been amazing. Very highly recommended. Alright, see you all in the next video then.